So you've got a blog started, or you're thinking about starting one, but you're wondering, how do bloggers make money? How do I actually turn my blog into a business? Watch this video to learn about the 5 most important tools you need to turn your blog into a thriving online business. Tool number 1, a WordPress blog with a professional theme. You can get a professional theme for less than $100. And it's so worth it because online, first impressions are everything. And people simply won't take your business seriously if you have a little line that says powered by Wix. If you need help getting started creating your very own WordPress website, download my free guide. There's a link in the comments below. Tool number 2. Use a quiz for your opt-in. The foundation of any successful online business is your list of customers and prospects. So if you're starting from scratch, or if you have a small list of less than 1,000 people, the best way to grow your list organically without spending a lot of money is to have a great opt-in, and a quiz is a perfect way to segment your audience into meaningful categories. I don't spend any money on online advertising, but I add 600 new email subscribers to my list every single month by using a quiz. If you want to get started with a free trial, click on the link in the comments below. Tool number 3. Everyone needs a traffic strategy to get new visitors to their website. The best way to accomplish this is by using a scheduling tool like Tailwind. Tailwind is a scheduling tool for both Pinterest and Instagram, 2 of the hottest platforms for driving new traffic to your website. For more information about Tailwind, watch this video. Did you know that email marketing has the highest return on investment of all forms of digital marketing? That brings us to tool number 4. For businesses making less than $250,000 a year in annual revenue, I recommend ConvertKit for email marketing automation. When I was first starting out, I used MailChimp because it was free. But we all know that free isn't always better. Do you have a tool that you just can't live without in running your online business? Tell me about it in the comments below. Finally, the last tool that I can't live without in my online business is the way I sell and distribute my digital products. I'm Kate Murray. I've spent 22 years in this industry, 14 of which has been in corporate and agency marketing. I've helped thousands of business owners create a passive online income stream, and now it's your turn. I have 3 different recommendations depending upon what types of products and services you sell and what type of annual revenue your business has. If you are a new or small business and you're grossing between $0 and $100,000 a year in annual revenue, my recommendation is Thinkific, unless you're thinking about an affiliate program. Then you want to go with ClickFunnels because ClickFunnels is a platform that has their affiliate program already built in. If your business is already grossing between about $150,000 and $5 million in annual revenue, I highly recommend taking a look at HubSpot. HubSpot's dashboard includes all of the metrics you need to analyze your data, as well as a keyword research tool, a scheduling tool, and a website builder, all in one. Now that you know about all the best tools to turn your blog into a thriving online business, which one are you going to start with? You'll find a link to all of the resources mentioned in this video in the comments below. And if you want exclusive access to even more tips and tricks that digital agencies use, be sure to join my private Facebook group. It's free, and you'll also find that link in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.